Welcome back to React UI Kit channel.
The second part, this component, the text component, we will customize it using a property name size, and another one with the height, color, and alignment. Let's get started then. So as you can see, we have here bunch of examples. So let's add the new options here. One, it will be the size and height and color and light. So if we have the size, then custom one will use the font size. If we have the height of the line, basically. Then we can add it like this. If we have the height, then we have the line height. So it's getting the height value. Then the color. That's the color. Yes, the color. If we have the color set, which it should be a string, then the color here. Alignment, text align. Align using the property, then we can align the text align using the line. Let's use only one, maybe the title or size, which should be 10 pixels, then the size 20. A normal one, let's compare to a normal one. Normal, as you can see, which is 40 pixels. Yeah, kind of good. What else we have? Size and height. Let's see if we have here the height set to double. See, you can see it's adding space. Let's see, add another text here, maybe subtitle. And you can see, yeah, basically it's padding vertically using this height. You can add it like maybe 20. By default is 20. You can add it like 10, but they will overlap, as you can see. Yeah, maybe this one is better. And height 40. Then let's add what color. Then you can have it like this. Title color red. Title red. Maybe orange. Or you can set I don't know, whatever column, like hex values. That one is that. Okay, cool. Yes. The free one, the account. So another one, it's still we wait the queue to give us a place here. Then need to write the text alignment. Text. So let's see. Align to text align to right. Right. Let's see. Text align to right. No right. Why? Because we have this one. Yeah, but we can do it like this. No, not this one. Maybe this one. Yeah, we can add padding 40 pixels. Horizontal to see it better. Cool. So we have right, center, and left. Left. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Basically, we can React Native text component. Here you can see text align auto. Maybe justify this one is helpful when you have paragraphs with multiple texts. So that's it for this part. In the next part, we're gonna see how to use the font weight. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.